Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. MashaAllah. Today we're having a test. This was the promise yesterday. So I've got here a few letters. No need to write all the letters. That's going to be like too many work. So I just decided to write few on the board. And then if you get them right, MashaAllah, that means that you are good to go. Now let's start this. Which letter is that? Remember, it's about the three harakats. Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma. So now you will name the letter, or maybe I can do the first one for you. This is Dal, Kasra, D. Okay, so you're going to name it like that. So that's Dal, Kasra, D. Let's see how many letters we've got here in total. Dal is out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. MashaAllah. So it's like you need to get at least 10. Okay, if you get less than 10, that means that you need to work on your Arabic alphabet. You really need to work on them. Let's start the test now. So we are done with Dal Kasra D. Which one is this? You've got only 5 seconds. Das Sin Dhamma Su. Okay, this one. Das Ra Kasra Ri. What about this one here? This is Jim Fatha Ja. Okay, this one here. That's Swad Fatha Sa. MashaAllah. What about this one? This is Hamza Kasra I. Next one. Ta Kasra Ti. Okay. The second line. Which one is that? Tha Dhamma Thu. Okay. That's Ain Kasra I. Good. This is Qaf Kasra Qi. That's Ya Dhamma Yu. Okay. Ghain Dhamma Ghu. This one here. Kha Kasra Khi. And the last one. Za Fatha Za. MashaAllah. So now we are done with the first test. We're still having 2 more. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, I will just write down letters and then you will name them for me. Okay, this is the second way of doing the test. So remember here you should try and get 10. Okay, you should try and get at least 10. Good. Sorry, the board is shaking. That's fine. Now let's start the second way of doing the test. I will just write 5 letters on the board and then you will name them for me, okay? Let's start it with, yeah, this one. Which one is that? This is Ka Fatha Ka. I've got another one for you. Noon kasra ni. Okay. Which letter is that? That's Shin Dhamma Shu. Okay. MashaAllah. Then this one here. That's Waw Kasra Wi. And the last example I will give you will be this one. That's the last letter. That's Swad Kasra Swi. MashaAllah. I hope you've got everything right. Okay, now I will name letters and you will write them down in your notebook. So meaning if you don't have your notebook with you, pause the video right now and get that one. Okay. Can you write down B? So I will just mention the sound of the letter with the right vowel. And then you write the letter and put there the right vowel. The right haraka. So B, which letter do you think is B number one? And which vowel do you think is there? Is it fatha or kasra or dhamma? Write down B. That's B. Ba kasra B. Can you write down La? Again, that's La. Lam fatha La. You still have 3 more examples. Can you write down He? Not He. He. That's He. Ha kasra He. Okay, not He. Okay. We are left with 2 letters. Can you write down maybe Ju? Please write down Ju for me. Ju. Okay, Ju. I need Ju. That's Ju. Jim, Dhamma, Ju. And the last word, the last letter, D. Write down D for me. Dal kasra D. MashaAllah. Congratulations to you. So the test is completed. The plan was that today we're gonna start joining letters, but anyways, we can just do the first 3 examples because I don't want to give you too many lessons. Okay, so now we're going to learn how to join different letters and form a word. Okay, the first word we're going to do will be Fa. If you have in the book, just move to page 4. So we are doing page 4 where it says examples of these harakats from the Quran. The beautiful thing about my book is that every single example is from the Quran, so that once you get to the Quran, it's going to be like same thing. Do you understand? And they are all from small surahs, mashallah. So we've got fa fatha first plus, remember we creating a word, fa fatha plus ain fatha plus lam fatha. If we want to join these three letters, the writing form will change a bit. So the fa will be like this, fa, and then we attach the ain to it like that if the ain is in middle, and then we've got lam attached to the ain, so that will be fa'ala. Okay, fa fatha fa, ain fatha a, lam fatha la, fa'ala. MashaAllah. So let's do the second example. That's alif kasra e plus ra fatha ra plus mim fatha ma. So if we want to join these letters, number one, we have to write the alif. But here the alif and the ra, they won't be connected because the alif is called a naughty letter. There are some letters in Arabic, we call them naughty letters. These letters, you can't join them with any letter after them. Do you understand? And alif is one of those letters. So alif, and then we've got ra. So the ra and the alif will not be connected, and the mim and the ra also will not be connected. Because why? Again, the ra also is a naughty letter. You can't connect the ra with any letter after it. But sometimes it's possible to connect it with letters before it. Example, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. In the Quran, the ra is connected with the lam like that. Okay? So that's letters before it. But any letter after them, you can't connect them with those letters. So we've got alif kasra e, ra fatha ra, mim fatha ma, irama, irama. Good. And the last example, I want you to try that one. It's easy. It's easy. What's that? That's right. That's ha fatha ha. MashaAllah. Plus what's that? Sin fatha sa. Allahumma barik. Wait, let me write it here. You might not be seeing it. So we've done ha fatha ha, sin fatha sa. Okay. And the last one, which letter is that? Dal fatha da. So now if we want to connect them, it's very simple. Just write the ha. Remember, most of the time letters that are having body, you just cut off the bodies there. Okay, the ha, and then make it straight because you're coming to connect it with another letter. Sin, there's a body, we cut the body, make it straight, and the last letter we attach it to the sin. So ha fatha ha, sin fatha sa, dal fatha da. What's that? Hasada. MashaAllah. Hasada. So that's hasada. Allahumma barik. So let's stop here. If you've got the PDF, it's easy. Just go through them and do the maybe exercise as well. And then where it says pronounce these words below by making your own harakah, there you will just try and put the harakats by yourself, whether it makes sense or not in Arabic. It doesn't matter. I just want you to apply the 3 harakats and form a word by yourself. Okay, so if you don't have the book, email me right now. as you'll be confused what's going on. See you all tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.